Hi everyone and welcome back. So in today's video, I will be doing a MINISO haul. I got some skincare, makeup and home and living stuff from MINISO. To be honest, I was actually kind of bored of doing makeup and skincare videos regularly. So I thought that I'll just drop in a little haul video so that I get a break and you guys get a break too. And another thing is that if you guys see my nose dripping in this video, I'm sorry because I'm under the weather and there's nothing I can do about it. I'm going to start off with some scent candles. These are the MINISO Inkjet series scent candles. And I got these in two fragrances. Number one is lemongrass. By the way, I love anything lemongrass because it just smells so fresh. And I just love everything about this type of scent. The second one is in the fragrance called Tropical Peach. Now these are the boxes, pretty well packed, I have to say. Now you can also test the fragrance from here, and you guys, this smells so good. Really, this smells so good. I can just smell it all day. And then the peach one, this smells like some kind of perfume I used to use. Now this one smells like sugar and peaches mixed together. I want to open one up and see how this looks on the inside. By the way, these retail for rupees 190 each, and I don't think that that's a bad price because, you know, it's a big candle. It will last long. So this one's pastel green and that one's pastel pink. By the way, I love how these look. I think they are really aesthetically pleasing and minimal as well. Now next I got a skincare tool. This is their facial brush. Actually, this is something that's meant for massaging in the face wash probably, or just gently exfoliating your face. This is how it looks. On one side this has got this brush thing going on, and on the other side this has got this silicone thing going on, which is very soft by the way. Now this one retails for rupees 260. And I am going to link all the products in the description box in case you guys want to buy any. Next I got three brushes. One is their blush brush, which I am just going to open right now. By the way, this one is for rupees 190. I think I did order a pink color, but this one is gray. Anyways, I like it as well because this is just so soft and there is no shedding at all, by the way. And yes, I really like this brush. Now next I have got two more brushes. This set has got one nose shadow brush plus a concealer brush, and this one retails for rupees 260 for two brushes obviously. So I guess this one is the concealer brush because it's very flat and it has got this, you know, pointed thing to it, which I have seen a lot of people use their concealers with these type of brushes. And then the next one is a nose shadow brush, which is this one. It is a little bit fluffy, although it's stiff kind of, but not that much. I don't like packing products on my nose because there are so many pores on my nose, and if I pack a lot of products I'm gonna sweat. I have a combination skin right now, so probably I'll just use this brush with my powder contour and that's it. So next up I have some storage and organizing stuff with me over here. First of all are really basic but really important for me, cloth hangers, because I hang all of my tops. I don't fold them, so I really need cloth hangers, and these were really cheap, you guys. You get 10 pieces for rupees 160, and by the way, I'm just digging the pastel that's going on over here. Now the thing with these hangers is that you cannot hang really heavy clothes. You get 10 of them for rupees 160. I mean, for 160 these are really good. I mean, the quality is good. Now the final product with me over here is this basket organizer. So this is a nice thing to store your dirty clothes or the clothes that you have worn once or twice and you want to wear them more than that. This just separates clean clothes from the dirty clothes. Another thing is that once you open it up, it gets really stiff and nice, so it can stand on its own. It's not like a cloth, all right? The material is really good, and yeah, I really like it. It retails for rupees 350. So those are all the products, and that's it for this haul video. It was super casual. I didn't have any script or whatever, which I generally have for my videos, to plan them, you know. It's not that I'm being fake or whatever. Those are all the things that I really needed in my life. I mean, not the candles, all right? Those are things that I really want to try out from MINISO, especially from their Amazon store. And yes, that's it for this haul video. I hope you like it. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more haul videos. I don't do many haul videos because I feel that haul videos don't match the vibe of my channel, and I also feel that you guys will not like it because I don't know, I just assume that. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go.